Welcome back. You're with the Arty Mummy again and into our day 4 of our 365 day challenge. Although this represents my first semi-fail, only 4 days in. So I did sit down and get creative with my book yesterday, which was day 4, and I was interrupted and didn't get to complete or upload my video for day 4. So today I have finished it and we'll go through it today, and hopefully we'll get on to day 5 as well today and catch up. So I decided to use this little kids palette of watercolour paints just to show that it doesn't matter what materials you have. I've just used a little brush, and I thought instead of just covering the page with random spots and splodges of swatches of colour like the book requests to fill the page with colour swatches, I decided to go a little bit systematically about it and try to make some tonal value swatches in the different colours that I have, and also try and see what happens when I mix these little cheapy watercolours. I think it was $2 for the box. I bought it for the kids ages ago. They've played with them some. Mostly they put them somewhere and can't remember where they put them and end up with my good ones. But you know, paints are for painting with, I think, and I often let the kids paint with my good quality stuff and they get great results with it, so I'm happy with that. So these ones, I found them to be not quite as vibrant as the better quality set, and the colours weren't quite as crisp and clear, but they did work just fine, and I got a really nice range of colours with just this little palette of 6 colours and 6 colours plus black. You can see here that I had a couple of goes at mixing a pretty purple, but it didn't work so well. It turned out a little bit muddy, and then I finished up with making a grayscale with the white, black, and then the white. And then just for fun, I went back over the colours in the opposite direction just to see what they do when you layer on top of each other with them. And I really actually enjoyed the results of this and seeing how they react wet on dry, and how the different colours worked on top of each other. And it's so much different to wet on wet that I think I'll probably be a little bit more patient and do a little bit more of the wet on dry, because I like that you can, because they're so transparent and so vibrant at the same time, you can really see through to the colour underneath, so you get a sort of a similar effect to, say, pointillism, where your eyes sort of confused and by the two colours close to each other and you see a different colour. You're seeing the two colours on top of each other and getting the different colour, and that works really, really well. And I love that about the watercolours as well, because quite often with the acrylics, even though you can get a lot of transparency, you don't get quite that vibrancy when you layer the colours, I don't think. So that was something I've sort of learned and enjoyed about the watercolours today, and I'd love to see how you went with this one. I would love to hear your feedback and what you thought of this, and if you're enjoying these, please like, subscribe, hit the little notification buttons. I love having you here, and let's get into today, very, very soon. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye. And for my little family end bit, I'm going to go and wish my beautiful son happy 13th birthday. 5th of January, he is a big 13. I can't believe it. Anyway, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Isaac. Happy birthday to you.
Really, Mum?
I love you.
Love you too, Mum.
We'll go shopping in a little bit, huh?